This is your Pinoy Daily Relay. This is our 26th session of the year, 26th of January 2026. Again, target is 3%, and our stop loss is 15%. Current amount is 425 pesos, and once we reach 440 pesos, we'll stop. And if we lose 30% of the current amount, which is less than 361 pesos, we're gonna stop, okay? So after this round, we're gonna bet. English tayo today, no? Anyway, guys, to be honest with you guys, may mga time, I'm not sure kung nalulung ako sa sugal, pero dumadaan siguro ko ngayon sa ganun. So, alright, so let's bet 10 pesos for the first and second column, okay? 440 is the target. Sana matapos tayo kaagad, okay? Again, ipinatawal tayo, may strategy tayo paano makabawi, okay? So, hoping hindi tayo umabot dun. Guys, comment naman kayo. Uy, let's tayo doon, guys. Then, let's rebet. The double street, take the 30 pesos, 5 double street, okay? 5 double street, guys, okay? Remember that. Ito naman lang yung strategy natin palagi. Medyo nakakaumay, pero 80% effective, I guess. So, again, pagkatal tayo dito, oras na tayo. Start from the beginning tayo dito. Oops, there you go. Pasado, panalo, 435, 10 pesos. Uy, kalamin 5 pesos na lang ang target natin. So, first and second, dasan tayo. So, 425 plus 3% is 360. So, ang target natin dapat 365, guys. No. 425 plus 3% is panalo na. Alright, guys. So, ganun kasimple. Always remember, madali manalo, mahirap puminto, at kaya wag maging greedy. Okay? See you when I see you. Bye-bye.